Let's dive into the weird, wonderful, and surprising stories from Japan today. Can you guess what really happened on June 5, 2025? Let's find out. Quiz 1. Which unexpected item became a fashion statement among Tokyo teens in June 2025? A. Instant ramen hat. B. Flip phones as accessories. C. Fanny packs made of rice bag. D. Hello Kitty gas mask. Answer. B. Flip phones as accessories. Flip phones, once considered outdated, have made a stylish comeback. Teens in Harajuku are using them as nostalgic fashion items, attaching charms and stickers. They're not used to make calls, just to make a statement.